Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A pivot table is a special type of summary table that's unique to Excel. Pivot tables are great for summarizing values in a table because they do their magic without making you create formulas to perform the calculations. Pivot tables also let you play around with the arrangement of the summarized data.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to create a pivot table. Enter your data into a range of rows and columns. Sort your data by a specific attribute. Highlight your cells to create your pivot table. Drag and drop a field into the Row Labels area. Drag and drop a field into the Values area. Fine-tune your calculations. The 19th of October 2020.
Take our lead.
Two-dimensional pivot tables. Activate the sales datasheet. Click on Insert tab. Click on Pivot Chart and Table button. Select all the data. Excel should now remember the previous range, so you just have to click on OK button. A new sheet will be created with the Pivot Table tools. Select the fields as shown in the image below. The 13th of March 2021.
Take our lead.
How to read a pivot table. Open any spreadsheet or other document containing a pivot table. Sort and view data by the page field. View column fields at the top of the pivot table. View data items in the body of the pivot table. View grand totals or summaries in the total, or grand total, rows and columns.
Let's help you make your mark.
Sign up for a free Google Workspace trial. You can use pivot tables to narrow down a large data set or see relationships between data points. For example, you could use a pivot table to analyze which salesperson brought the most revenue for a specific month. To use pivot tables, go to sheets.google.com on a computer.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.